Hello everyone, welcome back with my news video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste in Microsoft Excel. Before I practice, I want to explain you there are three copy and paste in Microsoft Excel, and one more, the advanced copy in Microsoft Excel also. Now, I want to copy all the text to insert in this sheet. So, I just goes to this sheet and select all, and next click home and click copy. And after, I want to show all the text in next sheet, so I click on this sheet, and after I click on the cell and click paste. So the result will appear on this worksheet. One more copy. So if you want to copy next time, you just select all the cell. Next, right click on any cell that you selected. And after, click copy. And if you want to paste all the text to next worksheet, so you just click on this worksheet, right click on the cell and click paste button. So the results mean that it will display on the next worksheet. One more step if you want to faster copy and paste. So first, you need to select all the text that you want to copy. Next, press the key control letter C. And after, if you want to display the result next worksheet, you just select any cell. And after, press the keyboard Control V. So all the text will display on this worksheet. Next step, I want to explain you about how to use the advanced copy and paste in Microsoft Excel. So here, if you want to copy, you just select all the cell that you want to copy. Next, and click copy. And after, if you want to paste, I want to paste in this cell. I click on this cell, right click, and click on this button and choose Formula Number Formatting. And the result is mean that the table it doesn't show after I paste, but the sign money dollar is shown in cell. And one difference that you need to know, columns and row is doesn't the same size with the first form after you paste. And one more, if you choose this function, it doesn't calculate. Like this example, I remove the number in this cell. The number is not changed, so it means that it doesn't calculate. So this is the example I explained you, and I hope you understand with this paste. Next, I want to explain you one more paste in Microsoft Excel. So first, you need to copy that you want to paste. Next, I want to paste on this cell. Right click on this cell, and next, click on this button, and choose click on Keep Short Formatting. So the result of the formatting will show all, like a table and formula also. So in this table, they're already calculated, and the formula is stay here. So if I delete the number in this cell, this means that the calculate will change. Okay, two pages I explained you already. So we go to one more page in Microsoft Excel, and this page is only values. So first, you need to copy again. And after, you need to press on this cell. Right click, click on Paste Special, and click on this button. Look at the outcome please. After I pressed, only text and number show in cell, and the calculating not format after I pressed. One more special paste, I remove the text and number in this cell and I paste again, but I choose this paste function. Look at the result displayed on side. So after I paste, it means that only text and number, but also different one more paste. So you know that in this cell, the sign dollar, money dollar is shown in cell. That is different to first time paste. One more paste, if you want to show the color on the text and only value, you just click on this function. So the result means that there is a difference the last pass in Microsoft Excel. It means that it is the only value, but also format with color in the cell.